I'm beginning to think that spring has sprung in my tropical garden, Modesto, California's Zone 9b. As you take a look at my Plumerias, they're starting to sprout already. Hi, my name is Jeff. Welcome to my tropical garden. Today I wanted to do an update, a winter/spring update, as we're a nice warm 73 degrees today. I wanted to do an update on my Plumerias. I haven't done an update in a couple of months, and I just wanted to show everybody how well my Plumerias have survived the winter here in San Joaquin Valley, Northern California. We've had a couple of frosts, a couple of temperatures down to 32 degrees, but if you can take a look, this is my celandine Plumeria. It's doing really good. It's even got a little flower pod growing there. I actually think some people call that an inflow. But yeah, it's doing really good. These are not been protected. They're close to my house, but if you watch some of my other videos, it shows how I prepare these to get them ready for winter. Take a look. No rot, no damaged, sunken areas. The trunks are nice and healthy. We're doing really good going into the spring. As you can see, we got some new leaves already growing. It's kind of crazy because we will still have a few days of cold weather, some cold rains, but clearly the trunks on them are ready for that, if so be it. And like I said, it's already starting. Take a look at this. It's crazy. February 1st. Nice and warm out today. Easily a person could do some sunbathing if they wanted to. Yeah, we're doing really good. And as we take a look at how I have these things grown again, I have about 5 inches of pea gravel. We had 7 inches of rain last week, so it was really important that I had prepared the soil the way that I did. And again, take a look at one of my other videos on how I prepared the soil. Plumerias need really good draining soil. They get root rot. This guy is doing really good. This one is my Tropic Pink. I believe that's what it's called. I got it at a big box store, and it's doing very good. We've had our average temperatures during the winter are in the mid 50s. Lows in the 30s, and this guy's taking it just great. As you can see, it's underneath the overhang. Part of it is, part of it's not, and that protects it from the constant frosts that we get. But yeah, nice and heavy duty. Take a look again at those leaf bases. That's where you have a lot of problems. The leaf bases will often rot during the winter time. I've not coated them with anything or anything like that. The only thing I did in the fall was to give it a little bit of that bloom fertilizer, 0-10-10, and no nitrogen in the fall. So, yeah, that's my update for the Plumerias. So, my name is Jeff. If you like this type of channel, go ahead and click that subscribe, like button. I'll do follow-up videos as we go through the spring and they start to bloom again. So go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. You have a good day.